The Panama Canal is a marvel of human innovation and a symbol of our drive for global connectivity. This 50-mile waterway, carved through Central America, transformed global trade. It drastically reduced shipping times and costs, linking the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. For more than a century, the Panama Canal has been a conduit for goods, services, and people. It has driven economic growth and influenced the fate of nations. The canal's construction was an engineering triumph and a testament to human determination. Thousands of workers labored for years, facing disease and harsh conditions. Under President Theodore Roosevelt, the United States was instrumental in completing the canal in 1914. The Panama Canal became a symbol of American engineering excellence and strategic influence. Its impact on global trade was both immediate and significant. It offered a shortcut for ships that once had to sail around the perilous tip of South America. This cut shipping distances by thousands of miles, saving both time and money. The Panama Canal boosted international trade, linking markets and fostering economic interdependence. Today, the Panama Canal is still a crucial artery of global commerce. It accommodates over 14,000 ships each year, transporting a wide range of cargo. From oil and gas to manufactured goods and agricultural products, the canal supports the flow of goods that sustain our modern world. Yet, the canal faces future challenges. China's transformation into a global economic powerhouse has been extraordinary. In just a few decades, the nation has evolved from a primarily agrarian society into a leading industrial and technological giant. With its immense demand for raw materials and a rapidly growing manufacturing sector, China has become a major player in international trade. The country's ports are among the busiest globally, handling millions of containers annually. To safeguard its economic interests and extend its influence, China has launched an ambitious infrastructure development program known as the Belt and Road Initiative, or BRI. This initiative aims to build a vast network that enhances connectivity and promotes economic cooperation. The BRI, often called the New Silk Road, is an extensive network of roads, railways, ports, and other infrastructure projects spanning Asia, Africa, Europe, and beyond. It seeks to revive ancient trade routes and create new ones, facilitating smoother and faster movement of goods and people. The initiative aims to connect China more closely with its trading partners and secure access to essential resources. By doing so, China hopes to ensure a steady flow of raw materials for its industries and a reliable market for its finished products. The BRI has received both praise and criticism. Some view it as a catalyst for global development, while others worry about the potential for unsustainable debt in developing countries. Supporters argue that the initiative brings much-needed infrastructure and investment to neglected regions. As part of its grand vision for the BRI, China has announced plans to build a massive $7.5 billion canal through Nicaragua. This project is seen as a strategic move to enhance China's maritime capabilities and reduce its dependence on existing trade routes. If realized, this ambitious project would rival the Panama Canal in scale and ambition, potentially reshaping global trade routes and challenging the established order. The canal would provide a new passage for ships, reducing travel time and costs for maritime trade. The proposed canal would accommodate larger ships than the Panama Canal, including supertankers and container ships that are crucial to global trade. This would make it a vital artery for international shipping, enhancing the efficiency of global supply chains. The Nicaragua Canal has sparked intense debate and speculation. While some see it as a game-changer for global trade, others worry about the geopolitical implications and the potential for increased regional tensions. Proponents argue that it would bring significant economic benefits to Nicaragua, creating jobs and boosting trade. They believe the canal could transform the country's economy, making it a key player in international shipping. Critics, however, raise concerns about the environmental impact of such a massive infrastructure project, as well as the potential for corruption and exploitation. They warn that the canal could lead to the destruction of vital ecosystems and displacement of local communities, calling for careful consideration and sustainable planning. The shipping industry is on the brink of a technological transformation driven by advancements in artificial intelligence, automation, and data analytics. These innovations are poised to revolutionize global goods transportation, making shipping faster, safer, and more efficient than ever before. China's proposed canal is being designed to leverage these emerging technologies, creating a waterway that is not only larger but also smarter and more efficient than its predecessor. This ambitious project aims to revolutionize maritime logistics by integrating cutting-edge technology into every aspect of its operation. One of the key innovations being incorporated into the Nicaragua Canal is AI-powered logistics. This technology will enable the canal to manage the flow of ships with unprecedented precision, ensuring that each vessel moves through the waterway as smoothly and quickly as possible. By harnessing the power of big data and machine learning, the canal's operators will be able to optimize ship traffic, reduce wait times, and improve overall efficiency. Advanced algorithms will analyze vast amounts of data to predict and mitigate potential bottlenecks, ensuring a seamless flow of maritime traffic. Real-time data on weather conditions, ship movements, and cargo loads will be analyzed to make informed decisions that streamline operations. This dynamic approach will allow for rapid adjustments to be made in response to changing conditions, enhancing the safety and reliability of the canal. Another area where technology is playing a transformative role is in the construction and maintenance of the canal itself. Advanced engineering techniques and state-of-the-art equipment are being employed to ensure that the canal is built to the highest standards of quality and durability. China is at the forefront of developing advanced dredging techniques that utilize autonomous underwater vehicles and sophisticated sensors. These innovations allow for more precise and efficient dredging operations, which are crucial for maintaining the canal's depth and navigability. These technologies will enable more precise and efficient dredging, minimizing environmental impact and reducing the time and cost of construction. By using environmentally friendly methods, the project aims to balance economic growth with ecological sustainability. The integration of smart technologies into the Nicaragua Canal is not without its challenges. Implementing such advanced systems requires overcoming significant technical and logistical hurdles, as well as ensuring that all components work seamlessly together. Cybersecurity concerns, data privacy issues, and the potential for job displacement are all factors that need to be carefully considered. Protecting the canal's digital infrastructure from cyber threats is paramount, as is addressing the social and economic impacts of increased automation. However, the potential benefits of a smarter, more efficient canal are undeniable. Enhanced operational efficiency, reduced environmental impact, and improved safety are just a few of the advantages that this technological integration promises. By embracing the latest advancements in AI and automation, China is positioning itself as a leader in the future of shipping. This forward-thinking approach not only strengthens its own maritime capabilities, but also sets a new standard for the global shipping industry. The Nicaragua Canal, with its emphasis on technology and innovation, could serve as a model for other infrastructure projects around the world. As nations look to modernize their own transportation networks, the lessons learned from this groundbreaking project will be invaluable in shaping the future of global infrastructure. The new canal being built through Nicaragua could dramatically reshape global trade routes. This bold initiative, long in the planning, aims to establish a new corridor for international shipping that could compete with some of the world's key maritime pathways. With the capacity to handle larger ships and the promise of quicker transit times, the Nicaragua Canal could become a compelling alternative to the Panama Canal for certain routes. As global trade increasingly relies on larger vessels, existing canals often present navigational challenges. The Nicaragua Canal is designed to overcome these challenges, providing a more efficient route for these massive ships. One of the most notable impacts could be on trade between Asia and the eastern United States. This route is among the busiest and most economically significant worldwide, with billions of dollars worth of goods transported each year. The Nicaragua Canal could streamline this process, cutting travel time and costs for shipping companies. Currently, ships traveling from Asia to the east coast of the United States typically use the Panama Canal. This historic canal has been a vital trade artery since the early 20th century, but it has limitations, especially regarding the size of ships it can accommodate. The Nicaragua Canal's more northern location could shorten this route, making it a more cost-effective option for shipping companies. By reducing the travel distance, the new canal could lower fuel costs and decrease transit times, offering a significant economic benefit. The Nicaragua Canal could also open new trade routes between Asia and Latin America. As this region experiences rapid economic growth, improved shipping routes could boost trade and investment, benefiting economies on both sides of the Pacific. Currently, trade between these regions often goes through the Panama Canal, or Trans-Pacific shipping lanes. These routes, while effective, can be lengthy and costly, especially for larger vessels that face restrictions in existing canals. The Nicaragua Canal could offer a more direct and efficient route, enhancing trade and economic cooperation between these regions. By providing a new pathway, the canal could help diversify global shipping routes, reducing congestion and improving overall efficiency. The impact on existing trade routes through the Panama Canal remains uncertain. While the Panama Canal has expanded to accommodate larger ships, the new canal could divert some traffic, depending on the specific needs and routes of shipping companies. Some shipping companies may choose to reroute traffic to the Nicaragua Canal, while others might continue using the Panama Canal, especially for routes not significantly affected by the new canal's location. The decision will likely depend on factors such as cost, convenience, and specific route requirements. The construction of the Nicaragua Canal could shift the balance of power in the shipping industry. By offering an alternative route, the canal could influence global shipping patterns and potentially change the competitive landscape of the industry. China's involvement in the project, along with its growing economic influence, could give Chinese shipping companies a competitive edge. As a major player in global trade, China's investment in the Nicaragua Canal highlights its strategic interest in securing and enhancing its trade routes. This could lead to increased competition in the industry, potentially lowering shipping costs for consumers, but also raising concerns about fair competition and market dominance. The introduction of the Nicaragua Canal could be a transformative development, reshaping global trade dynamics and the future of international shipping.